What's up, guys? I'm Nick, and this is Build Dad Build. A place where, if there's a killer in the house, we don't run upstairs. No. We do what a real man does. We run out the front door screaming like a little girl. Alright guys, I messed up. I was reminded last Friday on a live stream. I try to do a live stream about once a month, every 2 months. You stop in, it's fun. But I was reminded that this Friday is Friday the 13th. And you may or may not know that I'm a huge horror guy. So, horror guy, not horror guy. Let's be clear. So I kind of had to drop what I was doing to put together a project that is Friday the 13th themed. Enjoy. So I ran down to the Home Deepers. You know the Home Deepers, the big orange one. I picked up 3 2x4s. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut these up. I'm going to glue them up into a big block, but I've already done that. I've done that a million times before. So guess what? This time we're just gonna make that happen right now. Did it work? All right, let's try it one more time. So, I was gonna do the glue up and everything, but then I thought, I gotta reduce a lot of these down, so I think I'm gonna start out by tracing it onto the boards, and then I might take the boards apart and cut some of them with the bandsaw, just to reduce some of that so it's not so time consuming later. So just for basic material removal, I'm just gonna take a piece of carving paper. I'm gonna take a piece of carbon paper, just kind of roughly set it in the middle of here, and then I'm gonna put what I'm using as a stencil on top of there. Basically, I know that this brow line down to the bottom of the nose is gonna be raised more than the rest of the mask. So I'm gonna outline that, and then I'm gonna cut away any of the 2x. Later. What do you say we send him to hell?